Hey guys, in this video, let me share you how to delete your Google Pay transaction history. For this, just to open your Google Pay application. Now here at the bottom, you can see your U option. Click on this. Now here, just to go down and click on the settings. Now here, click on privacy and security. Now select data and personalization. Here you can see the option Google account. Just select this link. Now it automatically head into your browser. Now in this Google Pay activity, now it actually asks for your Google account password. So if you're already having a two-step verification or a screen lock means, so just to unlock, use your pass key to unlock your Google account or sign in your Google account using your password. So after logged in, now here, just to click on more Google Pay options. Now here, click on manage Google Pay transaction and other data. Now you can see all the transaction list here. Well, if you want to remove any transaction, here is the into button. You have to just select this into button and that particular transaction deleting now. So now here is the deletion completed. So in this way, you can delete any transaction you already done on the Google Pay application, and make sure the transaction you delete will only delete it from your side only. So if you made any transaction to any person or merchant to the opposite side in their smartphone, they can able to see the transaction from their statement. And also in your bank passbook also, that particular transaction will be still there in the statement. Well, that's it about this video. If this video really helpful to you, means hit the like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.